Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video from PJ Slots and Entertainment, or PJ Golfer, depending on which site you're watching from. Just a moment here. So today we are at state number 47. That's right, 47th state, and my goal to play 50. We're at Desert Hawk in Pueblo, California, or Pueblo, Colorado. Oh man, having a good old time here. They were kind enough to let me go off in front of the groups so I can zip around here, and we were just waiting for the frost delay to end, and we'll get this puppy started. This will be the last round of golf until I get up to Rhode Island and Connecticut, and then of course we'll finish the whole thing in Alaska. So we're just waiting right now for the go, and we'll be set. So enjoy the round, ladies and gentlemen. I know I will. Alrighty, so this was state number 47. Desert Hawk here in Pueblo, Colorado. Definitely enjoyed the course. Nice old course. I think it was built sometime in the 70s, mid-late 70s. So good turf out here. Greens were great. I love the greens. They're about a medium-sized green. Makes it fun to putt on. Scored a little windy, a little cold. Had an 87. Tough to get rolling, but had some good holes. Missed a bunch of putts, as you guys saw in the video here. Also, I think, and I'm not sure because I haven't reviewed it yet, there was a bunch of there were some gaps. I had a problem with the camera. So if anything's missing, I'm sorry, but for the most part, everything should be there. And really nice course. If you guys get out here, it's in Pueblo West, Colorado, south of Denver. I think it's south of Denver. I'm not sure on the map. Good deal. I paid $42, 18 holes in a cart. I'm not sure what all the rates and stuff were, but thoroughly enjoyed it. So that's it for now. So we're the last 3 states are Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Alaska. Hopefully I'll get those knocked out next year. Alaska, maybe 2021. I might have to cancel a Vegas trip and go to Alaska instead, which I won't have a problem doing that. Once again, Desert Hawk, Pueblo West. If you're out in this area, check it out. A lot of fun. Nice staff too. And even some of the members here were pretty cool. I did start on hole number 2. We had a frost delay this morning, so I went all the way around and just finished number 1 was the last hole. But a great round. And they had a logo ball. That's gotta have a logo ball before I'll play the course. Take care, everybody. Next stop, Rhode Island and Connecticut.